Welcome! Here's the unique ways that you can pass the ACCA Performance Management paper or the PM paper in very easy steps. Now, we all know that the PM paper is all about application, which means that the examiner will set very practical cases to test your understanding with lots and lots of chaps. And this is why we prepared you 12 super platinum questions covering the entire PM syllabus, including the study hub content. So what I would do in each of the unique questions adapted from the past exam, what I would do is that firstly, I would like to go through, for example, question 1, built by Bosco. And then from that, I will cover 3 important topics such as absorption costing and ABC, pricing decision, and then fully applied to the BBB case. So for example, firstly, I will set the theory questions to make sure that I will set you a lot of chaps that you will not fall into. So for example, yes, A is correct, but how about B? Of course, B is incorrect there. And of course, I will show you the exact reason why this will be a case. Now, this helps you revise the entire PM syllabus within just a few hours. But of course, this is not enough, because what I would do would be to go through the example such as BBB for you. And from there, I've adjusted this past exam by including other requirements in. For example, not only I want you to talk about the ABC or activity-based costing, but also I want you to explain the service industry characteristics. It's very commonly tested in the PM exam. And also, how about different pricing strategies? How can you use your own words to describe each of them in turn? That's also important. Right there, let me just show you another question. For example, CIMA company. And here it's all about the budgeting side. So what I would do as always, I would take the study hub content, adjusted that to the objective tests, and make sure that you will not fall into my trap, to make sure so you understand all the theory part before we move any further as a starting point. Of course, I will go through that with the clear answer showing you how you would do this right. But this is not enough, because as I said before, I will also set a practical case. Here it's called CIMA company. And from the requirements, I've included several requirements there. So which means you don't really have to do your own summary, summarizing the relationship among different topics from the syllabus. Because for every question, I've summarized and to relate to the areas that the examiner will be very interested in each and every time, so you can complete our questions and then you have revised the full syllabus, okay, with confidence. So this course and these notes, I'm sure that you can pass this paper very easily. And of course, I've been using this note for many exam settings, and many of my students have benefited from that. I'm sure that you will be happy about it. And I look forward to seeing you soon in the course. Good luck. Bye-bye.
APC, accounting for your future.